that a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Now, our question is, when do we get the two? How long do we wait? How sure are we that there are two in the bush? Could there be more? What's the right discount rate? And we measure one against the other that way. I mean, we are looking at a whole bunch of businesses. How many birds are they going to give us? When are they going to give them to us? And we try to decide which ones, basically which bushes we want to buy out in the future. It's all about evaluating the future ability to distribute cash or to reinvest cash at high rates if it isn't distributed. Berkshire's never distributed any cash, but it's growing in its cash producing abilities, and we retain it because we think we can create more than $1 present value by retaining it. But it's the ability to distribute cash that gives Berkshire its value. And we try to increase that ability to distribute cash year by year by year, and then we try to keep it and invest it in a way so that a dollar bill is worth more than $1.